Hello, beautiful out there. So I have this is Samaya. This is a lip liner. And this is the lip lacquer. Description of this lip liner. So it said Arabica. So it sounds like coffee. I heard Arabica in coffee. Have you heard those? Velvet lip pencil that enhance your lip definition, color, and shape for that perfect pout long-lasting formula with a precision tip. Here's the color next. Check. Here, let's try. And take down, baby. This is the color, guys. It's like it's like brown, not too deep. Let's see. Okay, deeper than my skin tone. And this is the most intrigue for me. This is called Lip Lock Lotus. Okay, Lotus. And the description of this: ultra reflective lip lacquer infused with hyaluronic acid, that means to hydrate your lips, rosehip extract, okay, and coffee bean. Wow, I think this brand love a coffee. So here's my coffee mug, by the way. And Insta Plump LQ. What is that? LQ Love Quarrel. To enhance the volume of your lips and provide immediate relief from dryness and glassy lip with powerful protection action. So I can't wait to try this on for you guys so you can see the result and how it looks like. And the shade is here. But you know what? I opened last night when I unboxed it. Look at that. This is clear, guys. But I think it turned to pink. But I tried last night, but I have my lipstick on. That's why there's a little stain on it. So, I'm gonna try it. Let's try this on, guys. It said that lip serum and lip plump. So, this is the color. Let's try on action how it works, or if the color come out. I'm just gonna use this lip liner. I have noticed it's only like a little bit shimmer, a hint of pink on it, and that's not very pigmented. Here's an attached photo. I don't have nothing on my lips, so I'm gonna try this again for the second time around. This is only like a shimmer and plumping. It's not a lot of pigmentation on it. So, just a little bit shimmer on the lips. But I like it because I got a lot of color. I can use it as a lip plump before my lipstick, the colored lipstick, or on the top of the lipstick because it gives shimmer on your lips.